introduction, and thank you each and every bedazzler. We dazzle because of your support. We look tall because we stand on the shoulders of giants like you. Why Redwood? We at Redwood have gold standard for not just the certification that we have, but also in our research or recommendations. That's the reason for our 99% client retention for last 14 years until date. We help diverse clients all across the globe. We have been featured in media multiple times, be it through our talk shows, through articles or interviews. Being on the eve of 78th Independence Day, let's talk about the three important types of freedom that we provide. The first is freedom for the children to become what they want. Did you know the educational inflation today is one of the highest inflation? What we request, we require for our complete education, for the whole of our complete education is now required by the children just for their 1 year fees. How many of you agree with me on this? Yes? If today the MBBS is almost 50 lakhs, 5 years later it will be almost 80 lakhs. Be it MBA, same thing, it doubles almost in 5 years. And that's the reason, what should the parents do, for ensuring that the thousands that they save can be turned into crores? Is it possible? We are the miracle makers. It is possible through the RSIP that we do. This is the Redwood SIP, which is done according to your risk return analysis. You can see in the year 1 when the child starts growing, if that is invested, just 25,000 rupees per month. Year 10 it crosses almost 50 lakhs. And year 15 it crosses almost 1.5 crores, guys. And if it is kept for another 5 years, on year 20 it goes to 2.5 CR. This is mathematics and for a very balanced risk, not for a higher risk part of it. Okay? So this is possible to turn thousands into crores. Tell this to whom? To higher education consultants, parents of school going children, and the new parents. Also to the Montessori and preschool owners, because lot of parents think that this is not possible, that we can ensure that the child has the freedom to become what they want to become. What to say to the parents that you meet? The best gift for your child is the educational freedom, and Preeti is the right person to help you. What to see? When you see a Namkarna invite or a birthday party invite, you can connect them to me. The second is the freedom to enjoy Akshay Patra of wealth. How many of you know what Akshay Patra is? It is most of us, right? But it is of food. But you can create an Akshay Patra of wealth. If I tell you this, will you be able to believe it? Let's see how. This is the diverse view of an unrealized portfolio of a client. You can see this client started just with a lump sum investment of 84 lakhs. You can see it here, right? And he has withdrawn already the 74 lakhs. So how much should be in the portfolio ideally? 10 lakhs? Yes. But you can see this. What is the market value of the portfolio today? Yeah? It is almost 1.28 crores. How is it possible? Even when he is withdrawing, that is the magic of power of compounding, and that is what we help the retirees, the people who want to, who have irregular income streams, even entrepreneurs for that matter. You can see the net gain here. You know how much it is. It is almost 1.2 crores, and the absolute returns are almost 200%, guys. This is a real portfolio of a real client. We have crossed the names because we cannot show you that. And the connections required in this are doctors, IT professionals, sports people, because sports people have a very limited life. Life in sense, when they make money, right? We have to ensure that whatever they make money should last them for the life. They are good connections. Retiring government officials. This is one of the portfolios of an ex-IAS officer which I showed it to you. And what should you tell them? You should tell them that financial freedom planning helps to put each rupee start working for you. Ensure that you create an Akshay Patra of wealth for yourself. And how do you find find those for me, people with irregular income streams, not basically entrepreneurs, doctors, lawyers, they are great connections. The third, and we just don't do this only for individuals. We also do this for corporates. Freedom to create wealth for generations. This is done by us for the corporates. This is for the corporates who want to ensure that they secure, expand or launch a new product. Right? This is a snapshot of a corporate. They have invested a lump sum investment as well as the SIP investment. You can see here the net investment is almost 2.76 crores, right? 2.78 crores. And the net gain over here is more than 1.5 crores, guys. So it is like having diversification in your own business. And the investment, the absolute returns of over 53% they are having. Today, because of strong finances, they are able to expand, they are able to grow. Connect us to the manufacturing companies, the IT companies or the business coaches and startups. Do you know only 5% of the startups are able to be successful because of the financial management that they do. So we can help the startups in ensuring that they are successful. I would like to ask my special invitee, Mrs. Sridevi, to give us our feedback. She's been our client for more than 5 years.
Yes, the first time I met was through a advised him from the day one that savings is important. Now, actually, like, he is very happy to invested in for the past 2 years. Thank you.
That is what we call, guys, that we create wealth for generations, and that is the reason over 99% retention of clients is there. These are my connections. I am connected to 100 plus top business owners. I will able to connect you on a one-to-one basis. Regional heads of multiple asset management companies I have been connected to, and I can connect you with them. Today, India is leading the world, guys. Vande Mataram today, the reason being today and always this decade is India's decade. Because of China plus one strategy of the world, because of double-digit earnings for the companies, fastest growing economy of the world, higher revenues for government, higher consumption numbers, young population. We are a very young country and we have a decisive and visionary leadership. This is what creates a lot of opportunities for us to invest in India, and this is where the biggest opportunity lies, right? So let's ensure that we invest in India. FAQs we can do when we meet up, and make sure your money works for you, because it does not go to sleep, get tired or go on vacation. Thank you.